Okay, you touched the way you want it. He's certainly asking for it, isn't he, folks? Gee. Thanks, pal. There he is! There he is! Here, take